In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Amazon app to Alexa. We will walk through using the Amazon Alexa app so it connects to the same Amazon account you shop with, which lets Alexa see your shopping lists, past orders, and other supported Amazon features. First, download and open the Amazon Alexa app. If you already have it, just find the Alexa icon on your phone and tap it. When it opens, you should see the Alexa logo and a sign-in screen, not your shopping cart or product listings. That is how you know you are in the Alexa app and not the Amazon shopping app. Now, sign in with the same Amazon account you use in the Amazon shopping app. This means the same email address and the same password you use when you buy things on Amazon. If you use a different account here, Alexa will not see your shopping history from the Amazon shopping app. After you enter your details, tap the Sign In button. You should see the app load for a moment, then show the Alexa home screen with cards and suggestions. Next up, grant any requested permissions. Right after signing in, the app may ask for things like access to your microphone or contacts. For connecting Alexa to your Amazon account, the key one is microphone access, so Alexa can hear your voice. A small pop-up from your phone will appear when a permission is needed. Choose Allow when that appears so the app can work as expected. If you accidentally tap Deny, some features will be limited until you allow it again later in your phone settings. With that ready, your Amazon account and Alexa will be linked automatically. There is no extra connect button for this link. The connection happens just because you signed into the Alexa app with the same Amazon account that you already use in the Amazon shopping app. You can confirm this by asking any Alexa device on that account to add something to your shopping list, then checking your shopping list in the Amazon shopping app. You should see the item appear there within a few seconds. One helpful detail is that changes sync both ways, so adding items in the app will also show up when you ask Alexa about your list. At this point, every time you open the Alexa app while signed in, it stays linked with that same Amazon account unless you sign out. If you ever switch accounts in the Amazon shopping app, remember you would need to sign into that same account in the Alexa app for everything to match. You have now connected the Amazon shopping app to Alexa through your shared Amazon account, so your lists and orders work together. If this helped you get Alexa talking to your Amazon shopping, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Alexa tips.